हेलो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हम इंग्लिश के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और ये क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल होने वाले हैं। अगर आप एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, अगर आप इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या अगर आप आइल्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये क्वेश्चंस आपको ज़रूर आने चाहिए। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिए। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट्स योर नेम? व्हाट्स योर नेम? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you live? How old are you? How old are you? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? What's your hobby? What's your hobby? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What religion are you? What religion are you? Are you married? Are you married? What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? What kinds of film do you like? What kinds of films do you like? Where do you study? Where do you study? What time do you go to college? What time do you go to college? How do you get to college? How do you get to college? What is your major subjects? What is your major subjects? Why do you study English? Why do you study English? How did you learn English? How did you learn English? How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Which grade are you in? Which grade are you in? Which year are you in? Which year are you in? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? How's the weather? How's the weather? What's the temperature? What's the temperature? What time it is? What time it is? What's the date today? What's the date today? Where are you going? Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What sports can you play? What sports can you play? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? How can I help you? How can I help you? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? What size do you wear? What size do you wear? How much it is? How much it is? How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How was the party? How was the party? Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? How does it taste? How does it taste? Have you got pet? Have you got pet? What is this? What is this? What does she look like? What does she look like? How is she? How is she? What is he like? What is he like? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? How do you feel about him? How do you feel about him? Do you need help? Do you need help? What do you do every day? What do you do every day? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Will you join me for coffee? Will you join me for coffee? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? How do you get to work? How do you get to work? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? May I have your passport, please? May I have your passport, please? What's the purpose of your trip? What's the purpose of your trip? Can I help you find something? Can I help you find something? How much would you like? How much would you like? Can you offer me any discount? Can you offer me any discount? How often do you watch TV? How often do you watch TV? What is your family name? What is your family name? What's your address? What's your address? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Do you know him? Do you know him? Do you like sport? Do you like sport? Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Do you like your hometown? Do you like your hometown? Do you like meeting new people? Do you like meeting new people? What do you like to talk about? What do you like to talk about? Do you prefer to talk or listen? Do you prefer to talk or listen? Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping? Do you like eating fish? Do you like eating fish? Do you use perfume? Do you use perfume? Do you think history is important? Do you think history is important? Do you think email are useful? Do you think email are useful? Are you social person? Are you social person? Do you like music? Do you like music? Do you know your neighbors? Do you know your neighbors? Do you use internet? Do you use internet? Do you read newspaper? Do you read newspaper? When do you use computer? When do you use computer? Do you like your name? Do you like your name? What food you like? What food do you like? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? Do you like me? Do you like me? Who is your friend? Who is your friend? What does your father do? What does your father do? How was your day? How was your day? Who is your favorite politician? Who is your favorite politician? Where is your home? Where is your home? What is your favorite room? What is your favorite room? Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Describe yourself. Describe yourself. Do you work or study? Do you work or study? तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे बेसिक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किए। ये वो क्वेश्चंस हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं और आप बाहर ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं तो ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। इनकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और QBT इंग्लिश चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।